Yo, what's going on, everybody? I know it's been a minute. Been busy with, just work and stuff. So I ain't been putting videos out. But in today's video, as you can tell, we're on the old Denali. As you guys know, I did do a custom kind of exhaust on this thing. So we don't have any mufflers. We don't have a resonator. It's just a straight pipe back. But what I want to do today, or what I'm going to try to attempt, is there is a third cat right there. I'm gonna get my angle grinder. I'm not gonna cut it completely off. What I'm gonna do is just cut me a notch out of it, and then get all the stuff out of the cat itself, make it hollow essentially, and see what that makes the truck sound like. Because I'm eventually gonna do a full exhaust on this truck, but I just want to tinker and mess around with it. And I figured, why not? I just got back from the mountains. Let's make a video. But yeah, haven't done much to the trucks. This one, I put it back on the stock wheels. I got the spacers on it right now. This thing looks pretty good in the sunlight right now. It's finally clean. I don't know if you guys live in an area where you have pollen, but as you can see on the pool, the pool was covered with pollen. But yeah, the truck's finally clean. Haven't done much to the Ranger or the OBS. This one here, GMC 800, it might be gone this coming week. You guys gonna come look at it. I don't want to get rid of it, but I don't really drive it enough. Like if I'm going somewhere, I'm either taking the Ranger or I'm taking this one. And I feel like once I get this truck here lifted and how I want it to look, this is going to be the main one that I'm driving. The Ranger, on the other hand, I think I want to make that like an off-roading kind of truck because it's smaller, so it'll fit down like trails and stuff. So I'm thinking that's going to be the plan for the Ranger. Still got some stuff planned for that one, just haven't ordered the parts yet. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now. I'm going to get my angle grinder out. I'm going to cut, like I said, a piece of the cat apart, and then try to get all the material out of it, and then basically hollow it out, and then weld that piece back on, and see if we get a sound difference. Let me see if I can give you guys some revs where y'all can kind of get an idea on how it sounds. If not, what I'll do is which it sounds pretty good right now, don't get me wrong, but I want it to be a little bit louder. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get my angle grinder out, and we're gonna see what we can break or not break. So stay tuned. All right, fellas, let me show you what we got down, y'all. So we got us a notch cut in there. Now just got to get it popped down enough. Once I get it popped down, I'll show you guys what comes out of it. Essentially, I could have probably just took it apart there and done it, but we're gonna do it this way. I got a welder, why not, but yeah, I'm gonna pause it. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. So got me a little angle grinder. Stuff isn't too thick either, so you don't have to worry about anything crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this back, bend this back a little bit without trying to crease it. That way when I go to put it back together, I just tab it back up with a hammer, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, let me pause it and I'll pick the video back up once I got it broken down. All right, we got it all out of here. So this is what we got going on. A little bit of insulation along with the insides of the cat, but it's hollowed out now. I'll tap it back up there and seal it up, and we'll see how this thing sounds. Stay tuned. I would start it right now, but it's gonna sound weird, so I'll just wait until I get it sealed back up. So it is back up and running. Now don't laugh at my welds, because I'm not a welder by any means. But it's not leaking. I still gotta sand it down. Well, use the angle grinder, grind it down, get it nice and smooth. But yeah, there it is. Let me grab my little tripod here, and I will set you guys up and give you some revs of this bad boy, because I think there's a difference, but it's not like a crazy difference. Let's see here. How does this thing work? There we go. I feel like it's a little bit of a deeper tone, in my opinion. But yeah, let me, okay. Let me give you guys a little sound clip of this thing. All right. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's not, I feel like this would be a little bit more difficult because you got to use a welder. You're cutting stuff. I mean, if you got access to an exhaust shop, go for it. A lot quicker and easier. But if you like doing stuff yourself, give it a try. So I think I can definitely hear a difference in the exhaust sound itself. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. You guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.